Sampada, be silent. Namaste. The Revolution of 2007 BS and Delhi Agreement. The Revolution of 2007 BS and Delhi Agreement. What's today's our title? The Revolution of 2007 and Delhi Agreement. Okay. Rana rule started on 2nd Ashos 1903 and ended on 7th Falgun 2007 BS. It was the Rana family rule lasted for 104 years. Due to lack of proper awareness, it lasted for 104 years. The first anti-Rana organization is called Prachanda Gorkha, was established in 1988 BS, but its activities could not be fruitful. Then, Praja Parishad is the first political party of Nepal established at Ombahal, Kathmandu on 28th June 1993 with the initiation of 5 persons. As they were Tanka Prasad Acharya as president, Dashrath Chand as vice president, Ramhari Sharma as general secretary, Dharma Bhakta Mathema and Jivraj Sharma or Ashrit as founder member. The party means Praja Parishad was actively involved in anti-Rana activity. Rana were extremely unhappy with them. As a result, in March 1997, 4 promising and determined democratic leader got martyrdom. Means except Tanka Prasad Acharya, others were killed. Tanka Prasad Acharya was not killed. At the time, Brahmin were not given capital punishment. The then King Tribhuvan was also equally victimized. He had no power and he was only ceremonial king. And all power was captured by Rana. Thus the king also provided financial and moral support to anti-Rana activities indirectly. In 2003 BS, the Nepali Congress was established. In 2003 BS, Nepali Congress was established. Actually, Rashtriya Nepali Congress was established in 2003 BS. In 2006, Nepal Communist Party was established. Causes of revolution of 2007 BS. What are the causes of the revolution of 2007 BS? First, poverty and unemployment. Second, injustice and suppressing behavior. Injustice and suppressing behavior of the Rana. Third, establishment of political party and revolution. Fourth, internal conflict among Rana. Means Rana were categorized into three groups. A, B, C. Effect of World War II and worldwide democracy. Sixth, increase political awareness among people. The event of movement and the Delhi Agreement. Bairgania Conference of Nepali Congress held on 11th and 12th Ashwin 2007 BS decided to launch armed revolution against Rana rule. On 21st Kartik 2007, revolution was declared by Nepali Congress. Nepali Congress formed Mukti Sena. The Liberation Army had taken the following places into its control with the armed confrontation: Diktel, Ilam, Ataria, Tirthum, Okhardunga, Bhairava, Gorkha, कोइलाली, कञ्चनपुर, डोटी, विराटनगर, रङ्गेली, मलङ्गुवा, वीरगञ्ज. Similarly, Bhojpur, Khotang, Diktel, Mahtari, Chiton, Palpa were taken on the control of the Liberation Army. Although Mohan Shamsher stood against all sorts of democratic reform, anti-Rana activities were spreading across the country and beyond the border too. On 23rd Kartik 2007 BS, King Tribhuvan along with his all family left for India by airways. Here in Nepal, Mohan Shamsher ascended the second grandson of King Tribhuvan, Gyanendra Shah, to the throne and declared him as a new king of Nepal. The rage against the Rana regime was spread everywhere. Therefore, Mohan Shamsher requested the government of India to play the role of mediator between him and the Nepali Democrats. Then he sent his son Vijay Shamsher to Delhi on the behalf of him. Delhi Agreement was signed on 1st Falgun 2007 in Delhi between Rana, Nepali Congress representative B.P. Koirala and King Tribhuvan. Therefore, it is also known as the Tripartite Agreement. On 4th Falgun 2007 BS, King Tribhuvan returned to Nepal and declared democracy on 7th Falgun 2007 BS. The major condition coded in Delhi Agreement. First, elected Constituent Assembly shall draft the democratic constitution within the 2 years. Second, 10 members cabinet will be formed until the new constitution will be drafted. Among 10, 5 will be from Rana and 5 will be from Nepali Congress. King Tribhuvan shall remain as the legitimate king of Nepal. All the political prisoners shall be set free except those charged of criminal offense. Then revolutionary group have to submit their arms and stop the revolution. 10 members of interim government. From 5 members from Rana, they were Mohan Shamsher, Prime Minister, Babar Shamsher, Defense Minister, Chandraraj Sharma, Forest Minister, Nibjam Rana, Education Minister, Yog Bahadur Basnet, Health and Local Minister. From Nepali Congress, B.P. Koirala, Home Minister, Suvarna Shamsher, Finance Minister, Ganesh Man Singh, Commerce and Industrial Minister, Bhadrakali Mishra, Transport Minister, Bharat Mani Sharma, Food and Agriculture Minister. Thank you for today's. Thank you.